Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these mini chocolate chip cookies. If you have kids, make these cookies with them. They will love it because of the small size and they will enjoy adding extra chocolates on top. We will start by adding 150 grams of soft butter to a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will add 80 grams of brown sugar and 80 grams of white sugar. Mix very well to properly combine. After mixing, add 1 egg and 2 drops of vanilla gel or vanilla essence or vanilla sugar, whichever one you have, or you can skip vanilla totally. Mix very well to properly combine. After that, we add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt. Mix very well until a soft dough is formed. After mixing, your dough should look like this. Now onto the fun part. We add 100 grams of chocolate chips. Mix very well. After mixing, we allow the dough to rest for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Because we are making mini cookies, we'll be using this tablespoon to scoop the dough. Scoop 1 tablespoon and mold into a ball using your hands. Transfer to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process until you have exhausted all the dough. Give space in between the cookies because they will spread while baking. Add extra chocolate on top for extra flavor. Preheat your oven for 8 minutes. Then bake the cookies for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Your cookies should look like this after baking, slightly brown and soft to touch. If you enjoyed watching this video, Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking, and also share the recipe with your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you will be making this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions and your recommendations. Please check out my other videos in the channel. I'm sure you will find something you love. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.